Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, but it can come with its own set of challenges. As a new mom, avoiding common pitfalls can make this experience more rewarding for both you and your baby. Here are some tips to help you steer clear of common breastfeeding mistakes. First, educate yourself before your baby arrives. Attend breastfeeding classes, read up on the subject, and consider speaking with a lactation consultant. Knowledge is power, and being prepared can make a big difference. One common mistake is not starting breastfeeding soon enough. Aim to begin as soon as possible after birth. This not only helps with milk production, but also strengthens the bond with your newborn through skin-to-skin contact. Another key aspect is ensuring a proper latch. A poor latch can lead to discomfort and ineffective feeding. Make sure your baby's mouth covers a large portion of the areola, not just the nipple. Look for signs of a good latch, such as outward flanged lips and visible swallowing. Avoid the temptation to schedule feedings too rigidly. Breastfeeding works on a demand and supply basis, so feeding your baby whenever they show signs of hunger is crucial. This helps maintain your milk supply and keeps your baby satisfied. Don't ignore pain. If breastfeeding is painful, it might indicate an issue with the latch or other underlying problems. Seek help from a lactation consultant to address these concerns promptly. Lastly, remember that every breastfeeding journey is unique. What works for one mom might not work for another. Be patient with yourself and seek support when needed. With practice and perseverance, you'll find what works best for you and your baby.